Welcome to Pharmacist World. Today, I want to talk to you about something incredibly important for your health: folic acid. Also known as vitamin B9, folic acid is a powerhouse nutrient that plays a critical role in your body. First off, folic acid is essential for cell division and the production of red blood cells, which carry oxygen throughout your body. It's also crucial for DNA replication, a fundamental process for growth and repair. If you're pregnant or planning to be, folic acid takes on even greater significance. Adequate folic acid intake is vital for the development of your baby's nervous system and helps prevent birth defects like neural tube defects. But what happens if you don't get enough folic acid? A deficiency can lead to anemia, fatigue, and gastrointestinal issues. In severe cases, it can even result in neurological and psychiatric problems. So, ensuring you get enough folic acid is essential for your overall well-being. Now, let's talk about how you can get this vital nutrient through your diet. Leafy green vegetables like spinach and kale are fantastic sources of folic acid. They're also packed with fiber, antioxidants, and minerals, which help reduce inflammation, lower cancer risk, and improve blood sugar control. Legumes are another excellent source. Think lentils, peas, chickpeas, and beans. They're rich in plant-based protein, fiber, and essential minerals like potassium, magnesium, and iron. Adding legumes to your diet can contribute to a healthy and balanced lifestyle. And let's not forget about eggs. Eggs are a nutritional powerhouse, containing all vitamins except vitamin C. They're an excellent source of folic acid, high-quality protein, and healthy fats. Plus, they contain antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which are great for your eye health. So there you have it. Folic acid is crucial for your health, and you can easily get it from a variety of delicious and nutritious foods. Remember, knowledge is power. Subscribe to Pharmacist World to stay informed and take charge of your health. Thanks for watching.